Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we're going to dive into a professional tutorial on how to write a quotation letter for transportation services. If you've ever needed to provide a formal pricing proposal for transport services, this letter is essential. I'll break it down step by step, explaining each part of the letter and why it matters, so you can confidently create one that looks professional and persuasive. Sender information. We start with the sender's information. This section includes your company's name, address, email, and phone number. It's positioned at the top of the letter because it identifies who is sending the quotation and allows the recipient to reach out easily for clarification or confirmation. For example, you would write your company's name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This isn't just a formality, it shows professionalism and ensures that the recipient has all the necessary contact details up front. Always double-check that the information is current and accurate, because any errors here can cause confusion or delays in communication. Date. Next, include the date of writing the letter. The standard format should be month, day, year, for example, August 29th, 2025. This establishes the context of when the quotation was issued and is crucial if there's a validity period for the quotation or any follow-up correspondence. Always place the date right below the sender's details to maintain a professional layout. Recipient information. After the date, write the recipient's information. This includes the recipient's name, position, company name, and address. It's important because it personalizes the letter and ensures it reaches the correct decision-maker. For example, recipient's name, recipient's position, recipient's company name, recipient's address, city, state, zip code. Including this detail demonstrates respect and attention to detail, which are key in business communications. Always confirm the correct spelling of the recipient's name and title to avoid any unintentional errors. Subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter. For this letter, you would write, Subject, quotation for transportation services. A precise subject line helps the recipient immediately understand the intent of your correspondence. It also makes it easier for them to reference the letter later. Keep it concise and directly related to the content of the quotation. Salutation. Next comes the salutation. Typically, you would write, Dear recipient's name, this greeting is professional and establishes a polite tone for the rest of the letter. Always address the recipient by their name when possible. It personalizes the message and shows professionalism. Avoid generic greetings like, to whom it may concern, if you know the person's name. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph introduces your quotation and highlights your company's expertise. For instance, we are pleased to provide you with our quotation for transportation services as per your request. Our company, your company's name, has extensive experience in offering safe, reliable, and timely transport solutions for both goods and passengers. We understand the importance of efficiency in transportation, and our team is committed to meeting your requirements with professionalism. In this paragraph, you're not just stating that you're providing a quotation, you're also building credibility. You want the recipient to immediately feel confident that your company is capable of delivering high-quality transportation services. Emphasize experience, reliability, and commitment. Quotation details. The next paragraph is where you present the actual quotation in a clear, itemized format. Service type. Goods passenger transportation. Route, distance. Specify route or distance vehicle. Type, truck, van, bus, etc. Rate, insert amount, such as dollars per trip, per/dollars per kilometer, per/dollars per month. Additional services, loading, unloading, insurance, etc. Validity of quotation, number of days. This section is critical because it provides all the details the recipient needs to evaluate your proposal. Be specific about the services offered and the corresponding costs. If possible, use bullet points or tables to make the information easy to read. This clarity helps avoid misunderstandings and demonstrates professionalism. Additional notes. After presenting the quotation, you can add a paragraph to explain inclusions and flexibility. Please note that our quotation includes professional drivers, vehicle maintenance, and full compliance with safety regulations. Any additional requirements can be discussed and adjusted as per your specific needs. This paragraph reassures the recipient about the quality and safety of your services while showing that you're willing to accommodate their specific needs. It's an opportunity to highlight value-added services that set your company apart. Closing paragraph. Finally, the closing paragraph emphasizes your readiness to collaborate and encourages the recipient to take action. We would be delighted to serve as your transportation partner and assure you of our commitment to delivering high-quality services. Should you have any questions or wish to proceed, please feel free to contact us at your earliest convenience. This paragraph is essential because it leaves a positive impression and invites further engagement. It subtly prompts the recipient to respond while reinforcing your company's professionalism. Closing and signature. End the letter with a professional closing and your signature. Sincerely, your full name, your position, your company's name. This closing signals the end of the letter and maintains a polite and professional tone. If submitting a hard copy, don't forget to include your signature above your printed name. Remember, a well-structured quotation letter is not just about listing prices. It's about presenting your company as reliable, professional, and attentive to the client's needs. Using this format, you ensure clarity, professionalism, and persuasiveness, which can make a significant difference in securing the transportation contract. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you craft perfect quotation letters for transportation services. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more practical writing tutorials.